Hold on to your seats because we're about to dive deep into the latest buzz around Palantir stock. With its price taking a dip this week, everyone's asking, what's the deal? And more importantly, where's the stock headed next? Stick around as we uncover the price target that everyone's talking about. Okay, let's take a look at the news. Palantir Technologies Inc. has been making waves recently. This week, the stock has been a hot topic on social media, but it's also seen a decline of nearly 7%. So, what's causing this stir? Last Monday, Palantir unveiled its second quarter financial report. The numbers? An earnings per share of 5 cents and a quarterly revenue of a whopping $533.317 million. That's a 13% increase year over year, and it's right in line with what analysts were expecting. But here's the twist. Even with these solid figures and the announcement of a $1 billion share buyback program, Palantir stock has been on a downward trend since the earnings were released. Now, trading volume tells its own story. The stock has been moving with an above-average trading volume. In fact, over 41 million shares have been traded in just one session, which is a significant jump compared to its 100-day average of 85.039 million shares. This indicates that there's a lot of activity and interest around the stock. And it's not just the numbers that are talking. Palantir has become a darling for retail investors. It's currently one of the top trending stocks on platforms like Yahoo Finance and WallStreetBets. This kind of attention from retail investors can be a double-edged sword. On one hand, it can drive up demand and push the stock price higher. On the other, it can lead to increased volatility, especially if sentiment shifts. So, what does all this mean for Palantir's stock value? The company's solid financials and the $1 billion share buyback program are strong indicators of its confidence in its own future. However, the recent dip after the earnings release suggests that there might be external factors or perceptions at play affecting investor sentiment. The high trading volume and attention from retail investors can be seen as a sign of confidence, but it also means we should brace for potential price swings in the short term. All right, now let's talk about the upcoming trading session on August 21st, 2023. We've got some surge signals to keep an eye on. On the upside, we're looking at $14.77, $15.15, and $15.69. If the stock approaches or breaches these levels, it could confirm a bullish move, indicating a potential rise in stock value. On the flip side, the downward surge signals are $13.85, $13.31, and $12.93. Hitting or breaking these levels might suggest a bearish trend, signaling a potential drop. These surge signals are crucial for traders. They act as markers, helping to predict the stock's direction. If Palantir's stock price moves towards the upward signals, it could be an indication of positive momentum, possibly driven by favorable market sentiment or positive news. Conversely, if it approaches the downward signals, it might be a sign of caution, indicating that the stock could be facing some headwinds. Thanks for tuning in, folks! If you found this analysis helpful, do us a favor and hit that like button. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for more insights like this. Once you've subscribed, drop a comment below saying subscribed, and we'll do our best to respond. Before we wrap up, we've got a question for you. How do you think Palantir's recent moves will impact its stock in the coming weeks? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy trading!